a bit lengthy, so let's quickly start here. The key to the question or these kind of reasoning questions is not to put everything, just first keep on reading it. And the best part of reasoning is every hint is given there itself. Unlike maths, you did not know any formula or something. So have patience, you'll get the answer. House number 1 to 5, left to right. Now, Brit lives in red house. Neither I know Brit nor I know red. Let it be. Sweetie keeps dogs as pets. Neither we know Sweetie nor we know dogs. Dane drinks tea. Nothing we know. Greenhouse is to immediate, not left. Immediate left of white. So here I know this cannot be white, because if this is white, green will go here. And this cannot be green, because if this is green, white will be outside. Next one, have patience. That's what I told you. The greenhouse owner drinks coffee. This is not green, so this cannot be coffee. This is not green, so this cannot be coffee. Now, person who smokes Pall Mall. Pall Mall is a brand of cigarettes, so smoking something, likes birds. Owner of yellow house will use everything, just wait. Man living right in the center drinks milk. Center house is milk. Now, as we know this is milk, confirm. Greenhouse owner drinks coffee. This is not coffee, so this cannot be green. If this is not green, this cannot be white. Green is immediate left of white, not coffee, that's why not green, because greenhouse owner drinks coffee. Center is milk. Norwegian lives in the first house, so we know this person is Norwegian, again confirm. Norwegian lives in the first house. Man who smokes blend lives next to the cat. There are two people next, we'll use later on. The man who keeps horses next to Dunhill, we do not know right now. Blue Master, whoever gets smokes Blue Master will drink beer. German smokes Prince. German smokes Prince. He is Norwegian, so he cannot smoke Prince. Norwegian, that's why he will not smoke Prince. Norwegian lives next to Blue House. This is Norwegian, there is nothing this side. So obviously Norwegian lives next to Blue House. So confirm blue this side. Listen, what we know is greenhouse is immediate left of White House. Greenhouse is immediate left of white. So that's why this is not white, green will go out. Now we have already got blue because this is Norwegian, this is blue. So what we know is this is not white, so this cannot be green. Green is immediate left of white. This is not green, that's why this cannot be white. Green is immediate left of white, not green, so not white. Milk, the one who drinks coffee stays in greenhouse. Milk, that's why not green, so that's why not white. So we have guaranteed got white is gone from here, gone from here, gone from here. This is obviously not white. So compulsorily White House is here. This is White House. So that's why this will be greenhouse. White House, greenhouse, Blue House. Now let's quickly check it. The Norwegian lives next to Blue House. Man who smokes blend will use later on. Brit lives in Red House. The British national lives in Red House. This is Norwegian. So this cannot be red. British lives in Red House. We know he is Norwegian, so this cannot be red. These three are already done. So obviously we get this is red. This is Red House. So only left out is Yellow House. This is Yellow House. Now, British lives in Red House. We'll use it. This is the British national. British lives in Red House. Swede keeps dogs as pets. Norwegian, British. So neither he will keep dog nor he will keep dog. Both of them will not keep dog. Swede keeps dogs as pets. We'll use later on. Dane drinks tea. Listen now. This house is green. So obviously greenhouse owner drinks coffee is being given. He will drink coffee. He is not Dane, so this will not be tea. What is being given here is Dane drinks tea. Norwegian, so that's why he will not drink tea. There was one more clue given to us. Norwegian, so not tea. We'll use tea where all it comes will be it for some time. Greenhouse we have used, greenhouse we have already used. This clue is already being done, it will not be needed now. Pall Mall likes birds. Yellow house owner smokes Dunhill. Yellow house, so he will smoke Dunhill. For sure we know Dunhill. Now after 3-4 rounds you know very well what is useful, what all is written where. This is Dunhill. So look at this clue. Owner who smokes Blue Master drinks beer. He smokes Dunhill. He smokes Dunhill. So that's why this person will not be beer. Milk, that's why not the Blue Master. Blue Master and beer combination is there. Coffee, that's why not Blue Master. Milk, that's why not Blue Master. This is Dunhill, not Blue Master, so not beer. Listen now. For this person, milk is gone, coffee is gone. Tea is gone because Dane drinks tea. Beer is gone because Blue Master drinks beer. So obviously the only thing left out here is water. So this person drinks water. We have already got water, milk and coffee. Water, milk and coffee we have got. Left out is tea. Tea and beer is left out. We'll see where all it comes. We'll use Dunhill things. Just wait, somewhere we had read Dunhill. Owner of Yellow House smokes Dunhill we have already used. One more clue of Dunhill we have got. Check it here. The man who smokes, the man who keeps horses lives next to Dunhill. Next to Dunhill, that side we do not have. So this person will keep horses. This person will keep horses. A couple of more rounds and for sure we get it. This one, the man who makes blend has a neighbor who drinks water. Neighbor drinking water, only this person can have. Neighbor drinking water, so we'll use this thing. The man who smokes blend has a neighbor who drinks water, so this person will smoke blend. Now I think most of the stuff we are done. Blend person has water neighbor. Dunhill, so no Blue Master. Blend, so no Blue Master. Blue Master, the one who smokes, drinks beer. Not Blue Master, not beer. Not Blue Master, not beer. So obviously this person smokes Blue Master and obviously he will drink beer. So this person drinks beer. Beer, milk, coffee, water. So this is left out is tea. Left out is tea. And this is the clue what we have got. Dane drinks tea. Dane drinks tea. This is tea. So this person will be Dane, the Danish one. Now let's move on. Norwegian, Dane and this thing. Let's quickly check it. British lives in Red House, we have already done. Swede keeps dogs as pets. Swede we are yet to get. One of them will be Swede. One of them will be Swede. Dane drinks tea we have used. Green we have used. Pall Mall is birds. Pall Mall is birds. We need to find it out. Owner of Yellow House smokes Dunhill we have used. Center milk we have used. Norwegian first we have used. These clues, all these clues we have used, so we may not use it later on. Blend keeps cat. One of the neighbors of blend keeps cats, but any one of blend, yes, any one of them can be cats. Horses lives next to Dunhill, so this person is horses. The man who smokes Blue Master, beer we have done. German smokes Prince. German smokes Prince. Look, this is already British, so this will not be Prince. We should have used it up till now, but nothing wrong up till now also. German smokes Prince. This is not German, so not Prince. And this is Blue Masters, that's why not German. This is Blue Masters, so not German. This is already British, so this is German. German smokes Prince. German smokes Prince. So obviously left out here is Pall Mall. This left out person is Pall Mall. Norwegian, Dane, British, German. So what we are left out with is Swede. This person is Swede. So let's quickly check it. Swede keeps dogs as pets. Swede keeps dogs as pets. So this person will keep dogs. Swede has got dogs. Now, Dane drinks tea. Dane drinks tea we have already used. Everything we have used here. Blend has a neighbor who keeps cats. Will wait. Horses next to Dunhill we have used. Blue Master. Norwegian lives next to Blue House we have used. The man who smokes Blend has a neighbor who drinks water. I think somewhere we are missing out on something. We need to read it once. Listen now. No, nothing we are missing out on. Swede keeps dogs as pets. We have already used. British lives in Red House. Swede keeps dogs. Dane drinks tea. Just the pets we need to decide. Greenhouse, greenhouse. The man who smokes Pall Mall rears birds. Pall Mall rears birds. So what all we get? This person is Pall Mall. So this person is birds. And this clue we need to use. Blend has a neighbor who keeps dogs. Sorry, cats. Blend has a neighbor who keeps cats. This clue we need to use now. The person who keeps Blend has a neighbor who keeps cats. Blend neighbor. This is already birds. So this will be cats. So finally left out fish. So what we get is German keeping fish. Look, reasoning questions. The simple logic is patience, giving time, and obviously how do you make any question difficulties? Related clues. If one is first, keep one is last, the other last. That's how it works. So make it simple and you can solve all these analytical reasoning questions.